Hello, this is Shad. I'm with Birds and Bees Motor Parts. Thanks for joining me today. It's cold this morning. Gotta grab a couple things here. About 9 degrees in Plymouth, Minnesota. I'm here working on a 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Here we go. I got a alternator that I need to take off, and figured I'd just share a little Roadrunner trivia. 1968 was the first year of the Roadrunner. They I think made some 40-some thousand that year. 1969. I'm gonna take this bolt off, take the belt off. This buddy's gonna pop right off. I already disconnected the wires and the battery, and I just need to set this down for a second. So yeah, 1968 they made 40-some. 1969 the Plymouth Roadrunner was Motor Trend's Car of the Year. I think that's kind of a neat piece of trivia. They made about 84,000. That year. It was their most popular year. This is 1969. 1970 they made about half that, about 42,000 I think. And then they changed the body style to this one here. 1971, and they only made about 14,000 Plymouth Roadrunners in 1971. So I think the popularity went down. I don't know if it was popularity of the muscle cars or this one in particular, but I know in the 1972 they only made about 7,000. So after that, gas got too expensive and things changed. Anyways, this particular one came with the 340. It was the first year they put the 340 in the Roadrunner. They made about 1,600 with the 340, a little more than that, and then about 1,200 had the automatic. So this one had the automatic, but the 340 is gone. This is actually a 360 out of a 1987 Dodge pickup truck. So that's what the farmer put in that I got it from. He had it for about 20 years. And he did the modifying. He put the motor in. Other than that, it's pretty original. I think the fender's been replaced. There, that popped off pretty easy. 2 bolts, and that's it for that. And yeah, the hood's not original. And then it came with the bench seat, but that he put the bucket seats in, so that's kind of neat. I like the bucket seats. So yeah, it's not one of those original cars, but it's staying together. As soon as I get this replaced, it'll be running again. And yeah, I think that's about it for today. I just thought that was kind of neat that they were the Motor Trend Car of the Year. And then I don't know, by 1971 this style wasn't too popular. A lot of people don't like the front end. I kind of like the front end. I'll show you that real quick. It's a 1 year only. I mean, the 72s are real similar, but it's the only year they had this bird in the front. I always thought that was really cool. That little black piece on the bottom there, it's not original either, but yeah, I always thought that was neat that it has the bird in the front. But yeah, a lot of people don't like that style. I actually really like it. I guess it's a love it or you hate it type of thing. Painted that thing pink so I wouldn't hit my head on it anymore. That's a bad habit doing that. Oh, my head hurts from that. Hurts just looking at it. So anyways, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to cut it short, and hope you have a great winter. Thanks for joining me at Birds and Bees Motor Parts. Have a great day.